Hey everyone, today I want to share with you a recipe for making cute butter cookies. It's a very simple recipe and you can make loads of variations with it. Today I'm going to make some cow-shaped ones with two tones of colors. These cookies are lightly flavored with vanilla and cocoa and kids just love them. If you take it to any party or gathering, you'll be the star of the show and I can guarantee you that. But the best part is these are super fun to make. Now let's get started. First, in a bowl, I'm going to take some butter. Now, this is unsalted butter and it's at room temperature. You can see that it's soft because I kept it at room temperature. Now, some white granulated sugar. Together, we are going to blend them. So, I'm using an electric stand mixer, and all you want to do is just mix it for a couple of minutes until it becomes light and fluffy. Once that's done, it's time to add egg. We are using just one egg here and a little bit of vanilla. That's it. And now you want to whisk it until it's fully combined. Once it's combined, I'm doing just a little bit of scraping, and now it's time to add some flour. This is just regular plain flour, and I always like to sift in my flour so that there are no lumps. Now we need to mix it. Now you can do it with a hand mixer, an electric mixer, or you can just use a spatula or something to do the job. Finally, the dough looks something like this, but it needs a little bit of hand mixing. So I have put it on a working surface, a clean working surface, and using my hands, I'm just going to do the job. It takes just a minute or so. Once your dough is ready, you want to chill it. Now, this is very important. So I'm using some cello wrap and it's going to be on the fridge for an hour, and sometimes it needs a little bit more than that. Once it's chilled, now you wanna start making the rest of it. So I have taken just a little portion of it and adding some cocoa powder to it to give it some color. This will be the shade for the cow cookies. And once it's done, you just want to set it aside. Time to roll the dough, and you want to make sure that your working surface is well coated with some plain flour. Okay, so this is the biggest portion of my cookie dough, which is the neutral color. And what you want to do is roll it flat, but you don't want to make it very thin, otherwise your cookies won't get nice shapes. Once it's flat, now it's time to add patches of that brown bit, which was a cocoa powder coated dough. So what I'm doing is just taking a little bit and putting it roughly here and there. It doesn't have to be precise, and that's the beauty of it. Once they are all pressed in, you want to roll it. But before doing that, it's very important to put something on top. I have used the cello wrap that I used for chilling the dough. And now look how beautiful they are. Now, today I'm using some cookie cutters. You can go with any cookie cutters of your choice and they will all come out perfect. But you want to make sure that the shapes comes out nice, and it's better to start from the corner, but I made a mistake and I just started doing it from the center because a lot of dough just goes waste. Okay, now all my cows are done and it's time to put them on a baking sheet lined tray. When all of the cookies are on your tray, you want to bake them in your oven, and I have already preheated it. It can take something from 10 to 12 minutes. And after they are baked, they look something like this. They don't rise or spread in size. I hope you enjoyed this video, and for more videos like this for cookies and other baking, keep an eye on my channel and you might want to subscribe so that you always get notified when a new recipe comes up. You can also follow me on Instagram at boobliesworldcuisine.com. If you make this recipe, you can share it with me on Instagram. Just tag me and I would love to see it. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Take care and bye for now.